Hello friends, this is DK Gautam and thank you for joining Interview Point. So in this video, I am going to talk about Python introduction. Okay, so now let's get started. So in this series, I am going to cover step by step Python introduction. So Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Dido Van Rossum in 1991. Okay, so Python is an interpreted object-oriented high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. Its high-level built-in data structures combined with dynamic typing and dynamic binding make it very attractive for rapid application development as well as for use as a scripting or glue language to connect existing components together. Python's simple, easy to learn syntax emphasizes readability and therefore reduces the cost of program maintenance. Python supports modules and packages which encourage program modularity and code reuse. So it is the very simple language to learn for the beginners. So if you know English, that means you can easily learn the Python. If you already know C, C Sharp or Java language, and you want to write a hello world program, you may need to write 5 to 10 lines of code to print hello world. But in Python language, you can just write hello world in single lines. So it is very simple language to learn, and you can reduce the size of program easily. Okay, so what we can do with the Python? So Python can be used on a server to create web applications. Python can be used alongside software to create workflows. Python can connect to database systems. It can also read and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used for rapid prototyping or for production ready software development. Actually, we can do many things with the Python that you can do with other languages. Okay, so why it is popular? Because of the Python language is used by the IoTs and robotics programming. So that's why it is the very popular language and highly recommended language in the world right now. Okay, so Python is used for. So why we are going to use Python or what we can do with the Python? Actually, we can do anything with the Python language that we can do with other language. So the first point is web development. You can say also server side development. Okay, so software development, any types of software we can develop with them Python language, and mathematics operations and system scripting. Okay, so this is the basic introduction of Python language. So I hope you are able to understand, or we can say you got enough knowledge to or basic introduction part of the Python. So I hope you understand that. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. So here, this is my YouTube channel. You can go here and you can see there are so many playlists are here. Python tutorials for beginners and ASP.NET MEC tutorial, C Sharp OOPS tutorial, C Sharp interview program, and many things. So you can play this playlist, so you can get all the step-by-step tutorial here. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel, so when I will upload a new video you will get notification for that. Okay, so this is in this video. If you haven't liked my Facebook page, you can visit on my Facebook page and please like my Facebook page. This is my blog URL, so you can get all the interview questions here in my blog. Okay guys, so I hope you will enjoy this video. I would like to have feedback from you. So in the next video I'm going to cover how to install Python in Windows operating system and how we can write hello world program. Okay, so if you have any doubt, any questions, please comment me. I will give you response as soon as possible. So thank you guys. Enjoy and have a great day.